Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain three important things in crypto trading: spot trading, leverage, and the differences between long and short position. If you are new to crypto, do not worry at all. I'll explain everything very simple and clear way. By the time you finish that video, you will have understood how does trader makes money when price go up or go down. What is spot trading? Let's start with the most basic type, spot trading. Spot means you are buying a coin, but it's real coin, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You keep them in your wallet and you can hold them till the price goes up and you can sell it. That's it. Let's say one Bitcoin $40K now and you got one. It's in your wallet. When Bitcoin increased to the $45K, you can sell it and you can earn $5K profits. That's it. No risk, no leverage, no hidden issue or problem. If the price falls, you will only lose what you invested. You will still have one Bitcoin in your wallet. It still exists. That's why spot trading is easiest way for beginners. You will understand how to trade and you will understand how the market moves. So there is only three things you need to know about spot trading. You are buying a real coin. You only profit when price goes up. You can't lose money more than you put in. What is leverage? Let's talk about leverage trading. This is where things became more advanced. I have no idea why people are thinking it's scam or gambling or something else, and I don't understand how the people are thinking that way if they don't know anything about it. That's too weird. But anyway, let's dive into the topic. Leverage means you are borrowing a money from the exchange. With that borrows, you can trade with bigger amount. You can earn bigger profit. But of course, if things not goes well, you can also lose bigger. So there is just one key point. You need to know how to trade. Let's say you have $10 and you open 10x leverage. That means you can open a position worth $1,000, which is perfect, especially who has not much capital for trading. If the price goes up 10%, you will earn 10 times more profit. You will earn $100 instead of $10. Of course, if you lose, your losses will be bigger too. But there is things to avoid from those losses. That's why you need to know how to trading. Yes, leverage trading, powerful, but also risky. So same like swimming. If you don't know how to do, how you can swim without drown? That's why guys, leverage trading is good. It's just a tool. It's only up to how you wanna use it. In good way or bad way. If you use in a good way, it helps you to grow very quickly. That's why it's important to find balances. So there is three things for leverage traders. Especially for beginners, you need to start with 1 to 3x. Just make your risk lower, okay? And always use stop loss. You will learn it. What is that? After a while, just keep watching. And third one is never make trading when you're emotional, because psychology is almost 50% of these things. If you cannot manage your psychology, you cannot manage any of trading and you cannot get success. You can fail very quickly. Always start with basics. Just think like that. If you're driving a car and you are new at it, if you go fast, what's gonna happen? You will quickly hit somewhere in your first mistake. That's why just watch out. That's it. And go step by step. Don't rush. Then you will get success in that trading. What is long trade? I assume that you heard it many times in your life if you have interest about finance. Long trade mean when you go long position, that means you believe that the price will go up. You buy now and you plan to sell a higher price. Let's say you open a long position in Bitcoin, one Bitcoin equal 50K and you got one Bitcoin. When it rises to 55K, you will close your position and you will get your profit. Traders usually goes long when market shown bullish. That means strong buyer power, green candles, and good news, or all in same time, which makes perfect time for open a long position. In short, we can say buy low, sell high. You can open a long trade in spot trading or leverage trading. There is just difference. If you open long position on spot trading, that means you're gonna own the coins. In leverage trading, you will only open a position. You will not own them. What is short trade? It's the opposite of going long. When you short, you believe that price will drops. You sell first and plan when to buy when it's go lower. Let's say you short on Bitcoin, it's $50K, and when it drops to 45K, you will earn profit. You sold high, you bought back low. Traders short when market looks bearish. That means red candles, resistance, or bad news. Or we can say all of them in same time. I'll never miss that opportunity for sure. So we can say that short, sell high, buy low. I know it's representing a bearish market, but it's very useful. You can even get profit when the market goes down. That's perfect. By the way, shorting is only possible margin and future trading platform like Binance or BitGet, not on spot. I also use BitGet while trading. It has easy to use interface and it's great for beginners. That's why if you want to register and if you want to try, you can use my referral code AQS8 or you can click the link at the below to get discounted on trading fees. What is stop loss? As I mentioned you before, I'll come that topic because this is the one most important tools to every trader, not only beginners, also for pro trader. Stop loss is a preset order that automatically closing your price when it comes to certain level. It helps you to limit your losses and protect your capital when the market moves against you. Let's say you buy Bitcoin, it's $50K and you put stop loss on $48K. When price drops to 48, your position will closes automatically. You lose only $2K instead of losing more. It's protect your capital. Just think about it. If you didn't put any stop loss on $48K and the price drops till 40K, for God's sake, it's so much losses. Before learning how to earn money, you need to learn how to save, how to not lose money, how to protect your capital. That's the main things in trading. If you keep protect your capital, of course you will achieve success in one day. Why stop loss that matter? First of all, let's be honest. You can't watch market 24/7. It's not possible. Human being. And second, with stop loss, your losses will be in control. You will know what you're gonna lose. Nothing will be surprise if the price drop or go opposite what you think. So, always do remember it. A good trader never predict the market. They protect their money. What is risk-reward ratio? It shows how much you can earn compared to how much you can risk. Let's say you risk $100 to make $300. Your risk-reward ratio is 1 to 3. That means for each dollar you risk, you can earn $3. Smart traders mostly do 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 ratios. That's why even they lose more trade than win, they will still be on profits. I'll show you this on real chart. By the way, when you are calculating your risk-reward ratio, you don't need to calculate it manually because there is a tool which can calculate for you. And I'll show you. So, let's go with long. Let's say I'm thinking market will go up. That's why I want to open a long position. I am opening position over here, the price of $185 on Solana, and I want to take profits over here, which gives me 4% of 4% profits, and I don't want to make big risk for myself. I mean, I don't want to earn or lose equally. I want to earn more and lose lower. That's why I set my stop loss $181, which gives me 2% of risk. When price goes up, I will earn 4% profit. When the price goes down, which is out of my plans, I will lose only 2%. We call this risk-reward ratio 1 to 2. If I increase my target points to the 6%, that means when price goes up, I will earn 6% profit. And when price goes down, I will still keep 2% of risk. And as you can see, my profit is 3 times higher than my risk. That gives me nice balance while I am calculating my risk-reward ratio. If I open a position with $100 with 10x leverage, when price goes up, I will earn $60. When price goes down, I will lose $20. Always remember, the market don't give a damn about how you confident or feel. Plan your trades, set your stop loss, and trade with clear minds. If this video helped you to understand all the basics, don't forget like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get more easy crypto lessons. I'll see you on the next lessons.